a back to normal that's going to be done very slowly and very gradually. The Prime Minister making it very clear that if there's too much of a rush in going on to this phase 2, as it's being dubbed, where you're living with the coronavirus, if it's rushed too quickly, we could see the curve of infections go back up again very quickly. So some of the things he talked about, he stressed to Italians as he spoke to them directly, saying, if you love Italy, you will practice social distancing. He talked about how from the 4th to the 18th of May, we're still going to see those self-declaration forms, which means that people can move about, but yet again, only on specific essential work or health reasons. But on the 4th of May, we will see the start of manufacturing and construction work. We will also see the start of celebration of funerals with up to 15 people max. So the number of people participating will be small. He also talked about parks and gardens being allowed to be reopened again and visiting family members. But all these actions can be taken only with effective social distancing and the wearing of masks. Takeaway food will also be allowed. No longer just by delivery, but the restaurants and bars will remain closed. On the 18th of May onwards, we'll see retail shops open, museums, as well as libraries, and the training for sports teams, but yet again with social distancing enforced. And all these measures will be decided as well by local and regional authorities in terms of how much they can actually open up. And then on the 1st of June, we'll see bars and restaurants open as well as hairdressers and beauticians. So really a series of dates to look out for in the coming days and weeks for many Italians that have been looking at this. It's also interesting that this information came on the day that Italy announced that its daily death toll was down to 260 deaths in 24 hours. Now, that's the lowest number since March 14th. And of course, it compares quite significantly to the figure of the day before, that was 415.